How's it going, guys and gals? Tickler Nick here. Today we're going to be installing my TST flush mount turn signals on the Z125 to get rid of these big bulky turn signals. I decided to go with the smoked ones just to go nice with the charcoal color of my Z. And if you are going to order these, I suggest getting the connectors. Just makes it straight plug and play instead of having to splice everything. The first thing you're going to want to do is get right behind here, and you got a 5mm Allen key. You got one of those on both sides, and this front headlight assembly will pivot forward. It's held on at the bottom by two little rubber grommets right here. You got to make sure, be careful that they don't fall off, or otherwise your headlight assembly will just fall forward and fall on the ground. All right, with those two bolts taken off, just come over, grab it right here, tilt it forward, and like I said, you got two little rubber grommets holding it in. Just leave them there. You can take this whole thing off. I'm just gonna leave it here, make it a little bit easier. Up next, we're gonna disconnect these wires. You got the gray wire right here for the right and the black right here for the left. So just disconnect those. Up next, with those wires disconnected, just come in here with a flathead screwdriver, put it back behind this little metal piece at the top, and you're just going to pop it out like so. Just grab it, slide it down, just leave it there for now. Do that on both sides. All right, I got both of those popped off. Up next, just walk up, grab your turn signal. It's gonna give it a twist and a pull, and that's gonna loosen up this rubber boot that's holding it in. It's a little hard to do with one hand, but you guys get the idea. Just like that, and pop it out. All right, now that we got both those off, it's time to get our flush mounts on. Here's what they look like. Like I said, I got the smoked ones to go with the charcoal. You got a fatter side and a skinnier side. So what you're gonna do is run these wires through here. If I can do it, a little harder with one hand. And then the skinnier side, this side, is gonna go towards the front of the bike. With those on, you're gonna take one of the fasteners that came with the kit, and this flange side is gonna go out towards the turn signal on the plastic like that. So it's a little hard to do with one hand, but I'm gonna try. What you're gonna do is run these wires through there, and once you get it up to the end, these are threaded, so you're just gonna put that in there and thread it on. All right, whenever you have it threaded on, just come down to the side here and align it wherever you want it to be. I just make mine level, looks nice like that. And remember, when you're tightening these on, they are, the threads and this are both just plastic, so be careful tightening it up. Just do hand tight, that way you don't snap it. So I'm gonna get the other side on, and then I'll get back to you guys. Once you have both your turn signals on, you are going to grab one of your connectors. They are color coordinated with these, so it is going to go yellow to yellow and black to black. Just plug those in to these sides, and then you're just going to plug it in to here, get everything back on, and you'll be good to go. Got them both put on. There is what it looks like now, and that is what a stock one looks like. So you got stock. And with the flush mounts, the only thing I have to do now is, since I installed the fender illuminator kit back here, and I did not put on the turn signals, there is nothing going back here. So without a relay, it's just gonna stay on. So as you can see, it doesn't blink. These are very bright, but they do not blink right now because I do not have the relay on. So what I'm gonna do is take the stock turn signals off of my fender and go ahead and put them on. That way they blink. That took a little bit longer than I wanted to. Also, that is super ugly, so I'm probably gonna be ordering either an integrated taillight or some different turn signals for the back. But they do work now, so can't complain too much. Yeah, well, that's gonna be it for the video. If you guys liked it, be sure to like and subscribe. We got plenty more videos coming on this thing soon. In fact, tomorrow, not the day after this video gets released, but because this will be released in like a week, I'm going to put on the new clutch springs. Probably gonna wait to do the plates until I got some oil to soak them in. But I'm gonna get the new clutch springs in there, make it pop a little better. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I did put on a 2-finger lever. Just ordered it off of eBay. It's $30, and it feels a lot better than the stock one. The friction point or release point is like right there instead of being all the way out here like my stock one was. Didn't make a video on it because I didn't think it would be too interesting. It ended up being a little bit more tedious than I thought it would be, but not that big of a deal. It wasn't very interesting. But I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and eat. And until next time, have a good one.